you are going to perform the task for sentiment analysis. Okay, we will extract the text, and with the help of text you can find the sentiment of that particular text. Okay, we will take this line of code as a reference. Okay, and right from here you can use a new file, Python 3 file. Okay, so you will copy first three commands from here and paste into this first line of code and rename it sentiment analysis. Rename it as sentiment analysis. Okay, so this is our first task. You have to create a new Jupyter notebook which is named as sentiment analysis, and we are going to use this file as a reference. We will copy first three line of code and we will paste right in this block. Okay, so first we will understand what is this NLTK, what is text block, and what is this word. Okay, so let's understand from your this experiment number 5 manual. So here we are using this text analysis, and we will classify, or we will extract the words and classify into different sentiments. Okay, let's see from here. We are using this NLTK. So NLTK is a text analysis library in which millions of keywords are stored and their meanings are also stored. So it is similar to as the dictionary. Okay, you are using dictionary. If you don't know the word meaning, you open that dictionary and you will find the word meaning. So similar concept is happening right here. This NLTK is a library which contain millions of word meaning and their features. Okay, so these features are stored right here in this NLTK library. Okay, then we are using right here text block. So what is this text block? Text block is a library which is used to extract the particular text from the keyword. Okay, if you write anything, let's suppose that I am saying that I am happy. So this complete sentence having some important information like I am happy. So happy is a important information. So this text block will extract the keywords. So those words which are more important, they are going to be extracted with the help of this text block library. Okay, so how to extract the text block library? With the help of this word function, we can extract this text block library. So it will extract each word. So I am saying I am happy. So I is a subject. Okay, am is a verb, and the happy is a important word. So it will extract that noun. So that noun represent that this statement is showing that person is feeling well. Okay, so it is a positive sentence. So if I am saying I am sad, so sad is a keyword or sad is a noun. We can find out in this particular sentence the particular person is not happy, or it is a negative word, or its sentiment is a negative word. Okay, this line of code, I am pasting this line of code in your chat. Copy this line of code, pip install NLTK, and open the particular terminal. Okay, and paste right here pip install NLTK and execute it quickly. Now use this next line of code, pip install text block. I am pasting this in your chat. You can directly open from here and use this line of code or this command in your terminal. So install it. If all these libraries are installed, then this particular libraries are imported right here. If it is showing error, that means you have to install these library. Now you have to take the input. Okay, done. Okay, you have to take the input from the keyboard. Okay, so with the help of this input function, you can take the input from the keyboard, execute it. So right here, I am happy today. So when this particular statement is written right here, it is going to be stored into this variable, text variable. Okay. After that, you have to use this code up to if else condition. Okay. Copy this code and paste right here. Okay. So you have to use this code up to if else condition. Let's understand this code first. So in this, we are using this text block and we are taking the input from here, text. Okay. So this text is going to be taken by this particular function, text block function, and it is extracted into object. Okay. So this object contain the complete sentence. Okay, and it is converted into different words. Okay, so it store each word in form of object. Okay, now we are using this object, that sentiment. So we will call this sentiment function right here, and we will execute these text and extract two parameters. So what are these two parameters? These two parameters are the features. First feature is the sentiment, the second feature is the subjectivity. I have entered I am happy today. So what are the different features? So this sentiment is containing this happy, okay, happy feature, whereas this subjectivity is containing this today keyword. Okay, so this object dot sentiment is going to segregate the subject, or segregate the nouns and give that into particular value for the sentiment and subjectivity. Okay, now we are going to print the object dot sentiment. So how we are going to print this object dot sentiment? If your sentiment is in the form of positive way, so we can consider that value in the positive form. Okay, we will take a reference as a 0. If your this sentiment value is below the particular level, it is considered as negative. If this sentiment value is above the 0 level, it is considered as positive sentiment. If this sentiment value is equal to 0, that means it is a natural sentiment. Okay, so in this manner we have to use if else condition. If the sentiment is equal to 0, that means it is a natural. If it is greater than 0, then it is a positive. Otherwise it is going to represent as a negative response. So execute this line of code. You will find that the polarity equal to 0.8, whereas this subjectivity is 1.0, means both these are in positive way. So this text is a positive sentence. Okay, now you are going to find out what is the subjectivity of that sentence. For that you have to download some libraries or packages. So first package is nlt.download punkt. Okay, so these libraries are used for the executions of your sentiment. Okay, so copy from here and paste this line of code into your Jupyter notebook. Okay, right here. So in this Jupyter notebook you have to paste it and execute this particular library. It will show that this package is going to be downloading and it is going to be installed inside your library. Okay, quickly perform this operation. Then you take the second library or second package, you download this package and paste it into this Jupyter notebook and execute it. It is again saying that it is downloading and it is going to be installed into the NLTK library. Okay, now you will take the third package, Okay, from here I am pasting in chat. You will take this third package, then you use this package and execute it in Jupyter. So it is showing right here, it is downloading and installed in the particular NLTK library. Okay, till this point, have you completed? These three libraries or these three packages are used for extracting your sentiments and what is the subjectivity of that particular sentence. Okay, and execute this line of code. So you can see that this text is about 2 days, so we are talking about 2 days, so its subjectivity is displayed right here. Okay, so what we are going to do in this particular line of code, let's understand first. Okay, so first we are using the empty list right here. We have created a list and which is empty, and the name of the list is nouns. Okay, so we have to extract the keywords, and that keywords are going to be placed in this nouns variable. Okay, and right now we are using this for loop. We are taking the word right here. So what is word? Word contain the sentence. Okay, this complete sentence is represented in this word. Okay, so we have seen that this word is taken from here. Okay, so in the text block, this complete sentence is taken in the word form. Okay, so this is your word, and then we are going to take this tag as a variable, and we check this tag variable from the object dot tags. So in this object we are placing different keywords. Okay, so here we are using this object. In this object we are taking different words. Okay, so all the words are separated and defined into this object. So I is also represented in this, am happy today, all words are present in this object. Okay, so now we will call this object using a tag, and with the help of this tag we can extract all the tags which are present right here. Okay, and we will compare these tags with the NN. So what is this NN? NN is considered as a noun or important word or a highlighted feature. So in this complete sentence, what are the different words which are representing the context of this subject? So today is the concept. This noun is going to be placed in the tag. Okay, now we are using this noun option. If there are multiple tags, means multiple important words, then we are using this append function. So what is this append function? Append function is used to join multiple words into one complete statement. Okay, so this append function is used right here to join multiple words. Okay, so we have only one word for the subjectivity, that's why it is represented today's. If you are using long sentences and if those sentences containing multiple nouns, they are going to be connected together right here. Okay, now we are going to print this text is about, and this item in nouns. So this is a variable item. Okay, so this item variable is going to check this list. Okay, so this list is going to be printed in the form of words. Okay, so here we use this pluralized